Now previously we learned how to draw a perpendicular from a point on a line.
Yes.
Right? So now let's learn how to draw a perpendicular bisector.
Okay.
Okay. For that we need to get ready. Let's get a protractor, a rounder, a scale and a pencil. Now first draw a line segment AB. Point A and point B. Take a compass and set its pointer and pencil tip at a distance greater than half of AB. Now this distance is greater than half of AB. Now place the compass pointer on point A and draw arcs above and below the line segment AB. Now keeping the same distance in the compass, place its pointer on B and draw arcs that intersect the previous ones. Now label the intersection points as P and Q. Now draw a line through P and Q and label the point of intersection of line PQ and segment AB as point M. The line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB and M is the midpoint of AB. Now let's draw another line S passing through point M. Now the line PQ and line S pass through the midpoint M. Lines PQ and S are thus bisectors of AB. Now measure the angle between line PQ and segment AB at point M. Who will do it?
I will do it.
Okay.
It is 90 degrees, a right angle.
Correct. The angle between line PQ and segment AB at point M is 90 degrees, right? Therefore, line PQ is perpendicular to AB. Now, as it intersects AB at its midpoint, it is called the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now, however, line S is not perpendicular bisector of AB. Why do you think so?
Let me see.
Okay.
It is 39 degrees. It is not a right angle. Therefore, though line S bisects segment AB, it is not a perpendicular bisector of segment AB.
Right, correct. Okay, so what did we learn from this? Perpendicular bisectors are used in many practical applications, such as making wooden objects, objects with rectangular or square shapes, or installing large poles, or joining the corners of the walls, or making yokes for oxen, etc. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Draw a line segment BJ and construct its perpendicular bisector SM.
Okay.
what did we learn? If a line drawn at the midpoint of a segment makes an angle of 90 degrees with the segment, then the line is called the perpendicular bisector of the segment. In practical applications, perpendicular bisectors are used while making wooden objects with square or rectangular shapes, installing large poles, joining wall corners, making yokes for oxen, etc. Exercise. Draw a segment JF of length 7 cm. Draw the perpendicular bisector ST of segment JF. Draw a segment AB without measuring its length and draw its perpendicular bisector.